Question time. Now, if you've got any questions, guys, please, I'm quite happy to help. This is my first question on the Mini 4 Pro, and he didn't give a name, but what he said was, I've seen various comments on other posts saying that the altitude has been limited to 120 meters in the UK and EU, and others are saying that's not true. It's only been, it's still at the 500 meter mark. Now, obviously, I think I know what it is when you get the drone, DJI automatically set it for the required 400 foot or 120 meter setting, but you can change it. But we're going to see if that's correct first, because I know a couple of updates back a couple of months ago, DJI did do an update, and for some reason, only for some, I think it was just a slight glitch, it was true, it was set at 120, and because there was such an uproar, it was reset back to 500. Anyway, so we just see if this is true. So the first thing we've got to do, guys, is get the controller on. Okay, now I've had a few issues with the controller at the moment, and it's to do with the screen save. Okay, so the altitude here, the maximum altitude, and I'm just going to prove it, is it's got maximum altitude. Okay. No, he's right. It's just, it's 393 feet. So, you're correct. It is limited. I'll just go back to change that to metric meters, and we just state that. So the return, yeah, you are correct. Now I don't know why that is. So it's 100. I mean, I'm hoping, because I think what it is, this controller has a few little glitches, and there's always going to be an update. But at the moment, it is set at 120 meters, and I'm just gonna. So, Guy, you're right. It is set at 120 meters. The maximum distance has got no limit, but the maximum altitude is set for 120 meters. Now I'm just going to go back and change mine, because I'm not very good at meters. So yeah, 393 feet to be precise. So that's interesting. Bit of a bummer that, isn't it? If it is set at that height. But anyway, I don't think that's correct myself, but I might be wrong. Maybe that's the new rules. I know the UK are changing their rules slightly to do with the smaller drones now. Maybe it's to do with the longer type batteries. I don't know. So anyway, as always, hope you found that useful. Like I said before, if you've got any other questions you want me to do, now somebody was asking about the propeller size. I'll tell you about that in another video. Anyway, adios, as they say here in Spain. Hope you enjoyed it. Main thing, just enjoy flying drone, guys.